So dates between and date add would always be a sub element in your major query. Like we see, dates between will not work on its own. Dates between will need, or dates add, like our earlier example or our statement, will need a column which has dates in it, and it will need the start date and end date for which you want to calculate something. So like I said, if you want to calculate the revenues earned in this period, right, then you would have to use the query which is calculate then sum then for these dates, so on and so forth. Then you can say end of the month is a good function which you can easily say end of the month, and it needs one argument. It can again take the similar state like we had earlier, like I say calculate the sum of revenue from invoices, right, and separate it with the other thing saying end of the month of which date. If I have to put, it will take date of again 1996 comma 01 comma 07 comma 01. So for the month of July 1996, right, I want to calculate some end of the month. Am I able to do that? It is not permitting you to do that. Why? Because it has some restrictions. If I take this off, I only want to calculate something based on this. Am I permitted to do that? It must need a column. So these functions will not be a standalone function. It would need something before it to take it further. So for these things, I want to calculate sum is fine. Unexpected parameter. Why? So if I calculate this as one part of it, and then this is my second part of it, then I can safely assume that that's done. No, it's not taking it. So on, we'll come back to this int. This is a good value of int. Let's take this ahead. Int. If I say integer function for a number like 123.34, so it will round it off to a value 123. If I say 5, it would round it off to 123 again. If I say 90, it will round it off to 123. So this is the lower rounding. Now this is conversion of uppercase, rounds down to nearest round up. If I say round up to the nearest number, okay, and number of digits are 0, 123. If I say 56, it comes up to 4. If I say 49, it's still 144. It's because I'm rounding off to upward side. So this is all the functions what we have in Power BI for us. Rest of them can be explored using all these values. You can explore it, calculate, ceiling, count, cross filter, join, all of it, date, data table, day, and so on and so forth. So this is where the DAX functions end for us. Thank you.